Good to see you. It's very apropos that you are here today because you're talking about a condition that affects athletes, also the weekend warriors, but there is some really new, exciting advancements in technology that's really bringing a cure to this condition. First of all, welcome to the show. Good to see you braving the temperatures.
Absolutely. Yeah, Casey, thank you for having me today. We're here to recognize May 12th through the 16th. It's Neuropathy Awareness Week. We're trying to increase awareness about neuropathy, which can lead to very serious conditions.
Yeah, and let's talk about neuropathy for those people who might not know what the condition is all about. Give us an idea of who this affects and what this condition is.
So neuropathy is a condition where there's nerve damage to the nerves of the extremities. These include the nerves of the arms, hands, the legs, and feet. And the nerve damage can lead to other consequences, such as numbness, which is a lack of sensation. Also pain in the form of pins and needle sensation or electrical sensations in the extremities.
So where does this condition come from? Is it just a degenerative type disease? Is it from playing athletics, perhaps an injury? How does one get neuropathy?
So there's a variety of conditions that can lead to neuropathy. Specifically related to the Players' Championship, athletes are at risk for repetitive use injuries, also stretch injuries which can occur. The most common cause of neuropathy is diabetic neuropathy, but other conditions can be vitamin deficiencies or exposure to chemicals and drugs such as chemotherapy.
So this really can affect a good portion of society. So what are some of the signs and warning symptoms, again, that someone might be watching, thinking to themselves, I might need to get this checked out?
So the difficult thing about neuropathy is some of the symptoms are actually lack of sensation. So the patient doesn't realize that there's a problem until it's far along the course. Other patients may have pins and needle sensation or numbness in their hands and feet. Also, it can lead to reduction in golf scores as a result of the pain.
Well, there you go. We got to do something about that. Those weekend warriors, they need all the strokes they can get.
Absolutely.
So let's talk a little bit about this new technology that's really, you say, revolutionary, because this one thought of condition was only managed through medication, and really there wasn't a cure, but now you say there really is a cure for this.
Yeah, and this is what has us so excited, is that the Neurogenx is the first FDA-cleared patented device that's shown to help the nerves regenerate. So this is a regenerative restorative treatment for nerves. And what I generally do is try to connect with the pathologist and look at before and after treatments. And we have shown that the receptors of the nerves have doubled in a typical patient that's been treated.
So growing back the nerves that you once thought this was impossible. And so what are the patients saying who have had this procedure done, which you say has only really been around since 2013?
Right. So the patient testimonies have been reductions in the need for medications, improved sleep and quality of life, and also increased range of motion and ability to engage in the activities that they usually enjoy.
And I think that's so important because so many people, we talk about golfers, we're out here at the Players' Championship, people see the best in the world out here competing and they want to get back out. And many are prohibited from doing that because of the pain of neuropathy. So you say, hey, it's possible, you can do it. What would be the first step that they need to do if they believe they have neuropathy and they want to check out this treatment?
So the first step would be to give us a call at our office and schedule a free consultation. Our number is 904-414-2088. We'll take your call, take your initial information, and get you scheduled to come and be seen in our office.
And you say you've done copious amounts of research. You found this in Michigan. You're the first person to bring it here to Jacksonville. You're the only provider of this. What does that mean for you to be able to provide this cure then for these patients?
This is very exciting. It's shown to have an 87% success rate. And in medicine, that's largely unheard of. And we're so excited to be able to help patients improve their quality of life and help them recover from their injuries and from their neuropathy.
All right. Dr. Newton, it's so good to see you, sir. Try to stay
Thank
cool.
you.
I know it's hot out here, but we have a fan that Curtis took from lovely Judy Zatello. We just need to make sure we get that back to you after the show. Good to see you, sir.
Thank you.
And if you want more information, you can go to Neurogenx Nerve Center of Jacksonville. We, of course, would like to thank them for sponsoring this segment. For more information, neurogenx.com/Jacksonville. You can also call 904-414-2008.